Hi, my name is Sandra Fahey, and as part of our final, I am going to be presenting my Science Learning Center for the class. So as you can see, I decided to do 5th grade Earth Science, and I expanded on an assignment that was given to us in class and did layers of the Earth. Within this lesson, I was able to incorporate 2 NGSS standards, one of them being the development of a model using an example to describe ways the different atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere interact, as well as labeling Earth materials and systems and being aware of them all together. Cross-curricular, I did incorporate the ELA literacy and students will be able to provide a concluding statement or section related to the information of things explained and presented. And also, they'll also be actively engaging in collaborative discussions, one-on-one within the class, and building on other ideas and expressing their own ideas clearly. So those were the 2 cross-curricular literacy I was able to incorporate. So first what I would do is we wanted to give the kids vocabulary preview lessons. We'll go over words, have them jot them down, kind of get them thinking about those things. And then I would kind of pose a question for them that would say, do you think it's possible to dig your way through the ground to the other side of the Earth? Why or why not? And then with those words that I'd given them, each student would have a book that they could take notes in and document their thoughts on why or why not. And then I would have them turn and work with maybe a shoulder partner or within their table and follow this plan here, which is turn and talk. These are just guidelines and things that they should do and things that one person speaks at a time, listening to their partner, giving feedback, positive feedback. I'd be following, listening, making sure that they're kind of heading in the right direction, and then have them reconvene and we can share as a group, everybody giving their thoughts and opinions based on their notes. So that'd be one way that I would first engage them, and then we would explore and doing some further things with it. I would have this PowerPoint up, which is goes along with the definitions and vocabulary that I would have given them. And this is just the structure of Earth, it's basic here, and it would have all of the basic information that they need to know, and then be taking notes and writing it down in this initial activity here, or second activity, of everything that they're learning. So they'll be taking notes here to fill this page out later. And then of course they'd all be able to work together so that all of this does kind of move together and make sense. The third thing that I would have them complete would be just the basic drawing. Kids like to draw and it brings things together. So it would have the basic parts labeled. I would also ask them to add additional information that they've taken notes on and the things that they found in the PowerPoint that they think are relevant to add to this here. And then to go on into their exit ticket or making sure that they understand or how they're understanding things would be here. This is the exit ticket I would have them do, and they would have to complete the question that I had asked them initially. Do you think it's possible to dig your way through the ground into the Earth? Explain why or why not. I'm asking them to analyze the data, all the things that they found, the depth of all of the different layers and how it would be possible if it were liquid, solid, gases, those kinds of things. So all those are things that they would have to claim, provide the evidence, and then explain. So that would be their exit ticket there. And so this kind of covers all of the things that we need, and that is it.